So we're putting the purlins in. Greg's gonna hand it to me from the outside. I'm gonna be up the ladder, and there's a hole that lines up on the bottom of the purlin into the truss, and that's where we start. It's just slightly. There we go. So now we gotta pin each end. So I just take a point of interest. I butt it into the rid slider. You can butt it into there. Doesn't really matter. And then you just select the measurement. So I'm getting 43 1/4 to the top of this purlin. Something that you should know is that we use 3/4 inch bolts, the longer ones in your package. They just work better with the purlins. So I got it close, so I'm gonna get my nut and bolt ready. There we go. Wash, rinse, repeat on the other side.